So we're here prepping the front end of this Ferrari F8. It's this beautiful Ferrari white, and white cars are typically harder to lay on just because it's the smallest things that you'll never see that are really hyphenated through PPF. So there's little black dots, and all this is just like fallout and brake dust. Any car that's been on the road will have this. So take your time and do your prep work and make sure you get all the little tiny dirt spots off.
Only thing about a G-Wagon you need to know is just this. Listen closely. That's it. Mercedes build quality. That's all you need to know. They don't make latches like that anymore. What makes it tricky?
This quarter panel here banks that way, and then that's straight. So to get this stretch around, we kind of gotta go up with it so that it doesn't give us a whole bunch of fingers and stuff up here. We're gonna use some warm water on it though. Hopefully that smooths out, settles the film down a little bit.
What I thought was crazy is like how much mooring and stuff was in here from just like rush installing it, but like how much of it just baked out in the sun. But at least it saved it from our 1,000-mile road trip back from Arizona. Now we're gonna rip all that off, do a full satin black paint protection on it, leave a bunch of the stuff gloss, but we're gonna redo everything. Make it all fresh. But you can see, if you look close, there's some places where we already took some rock hits, where if we wouldn't have put this on, I mean, the bumper would have been peppered, you would have ended up with chips in it, but now we can pull this piece of paint protection off, and you'll be good to go.
Beautiful Lamborghini SV here that has some malfunctioning window tint. So we're gonna redo it for him. What I'm doing right now is I'm actually shaving the film. And the reason why I'm doing that is because we hand cut all of our patterns so that I can lay this film over the top of the glass, shave it back, and then that way you have a seamless tint job rather than having a gap where the film gets laid. Just looks a little bit better. Your chances of failure are a little bit lower as well. And that's just the way that we like to do it at Envision.
Never go wrong with too much lube when it comes to mounting tires only. Bittersweet. She's gonna go home today. After spending 900 miles inside of this, it's magic. Kind of sad that it's not going home into my garage, but I'm really stoked for my client because I'm pretty sure we've just created the baddest American-made SUV to ever exist. I mean, obviously with the help of Cadillac, because they've done such an incredible job. I mean, fit and finish. There's really not an American SUV that is comparable. It really isn't. I mean, and the fact that they've gotten so far separated from Tahoe to Yukon to Escalade, I mean, all three of them have such different characteristics where this handles very European-like, where the Tahoe still feels like a truck. It still has that aggressive feel where this thing is, I mean, it rides like a Cadillac like you want, and it's the best SUV made, in my opinion. Price range, what you're getting, bang for your buck, there's nothing that compares. Got my boy Casey's Escalade dropped off to him that we just finished. Well, we actually got to fly down to Phoenix, pick it up for him, drive it back. It was really rad to be able to put the first 1,000 miles on a brand new Escalade. And we did a full satin paint protection film. We added our ceramic film on the window. And we did a set of 24-inch custom Bossum wheels, which really definitely set that Escalade apart. It was a Valentine's I'm sure will never be forgotten. His wife has got to be super pumped with it. Kind of sad I wasn't there to see her face, knowing that she had zero anticipation of getting a new car, let alone got a brand new Escalade, which are hard to find, and well, obviously done it in Envision, which is why it looks so sick. looking forward to what is to come next week. We've got a lot of fun projects in the pipeline. I would suggest liking, subscribing, and we're gonna have plenty of these videos to come. Looking forward to showing you guys what Envision's about.